Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I have something really funny. 2 square root of 2 divided by 2 square root of 2. Now what most of you would think, oh, the answer is 1. But the answer is actually not 1. Why do you think that the answer is 1? Let us try it here. If we say, for example, 2 radical 2, probably most of you would write it as a fraction, right? 2 square root of 2 divided by 2 square root of 2. And then most of you would say probably, 2 square root of 2 divided by 2 square root of 2 is equal to 1. But it is actually not equal to 1. Now let us explain why not. 2 square root of 2 divided by 2 square root of 2. What we basically mean by this is, let me write them all one by one. 2, and then square root of 2, and then divided, and then again 2, and then square root of 2. Now the thing is, between 2 and square root of 2, there is a multiplication sign, right? And then here we have a division sign. And then here there is another multiplication sign. How do we know that? We know that when between 2 and square root of 2 there is no other sign, then it must be a multiplication, right? Alright, now we have multiply, divide, and multiply. It is important that we follow the order, but multiplication and division have same priority, right? So you would say, first two numbers to multiply by square root of 2 is 2 square root of 2. After we have multiplied the first two, then we divide by 2. This will be divided by 2 first. Now here, you can write it for a second as a fraction. 2 square root of 2 divided by 2. 2 and 2 goes away, so this is basically equal to square root of 2. So we did the first three of them, and so far we have square root of 2. Finally, square root of 2 has to be multiplied by square root of 2. Multiplied by square root of 2. Now we know that square root of 2 times square root of 2 is basically square root of 4, and that is equal to 2. So this basically works for any other combination. We could have said, for example, square root of, let's say, 5 square root of 5 divided by 5 square root of 5. Again, we follow the same order here, right? We can say that 5 times square root of 5 is 5 square root of 5. And then divide that by 5. We divide that by 5, so we get square root of 5. And then finally multiply that by square root of 5. Multiplied by square root of 5, and that is equal to 5. Right? It is not equal to 1. Like the video and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.